We're Biscuiteers, the original hand-iced biscuit company. At the Ministry of Biscuits in London, we ice over 3 million biscuits every year for every occasion, including Halloween. Today we'll be showing you how to decorate our spooky pumpkin biscuits, a fun addition to trick-or-treat activities or Halloween parties. To follow along, you will need greaseproof paper and access to an oven, green line icing, orange line and flood icing, black line icing, piping bags and pumpkin-shaped biscuits. Let's start by taking our pumpkin-shaped biscuits and our black line icing. Use your line icing to outline the pumpkin shape. Be careful not to leave any gaps. If the line icing breaks, simply go back to the gap and fill it in. Now outline the shape of the eyes and the mouth. This could be any shape you like. Be creative. Once you've outlined the facial features, take your orange flood icing and fill in the pumpkin shape. We use bottles for our flood icing because they are reusable and easier to use, but you can also use piping bags. Make sure to fill in the whole shape evenly, being careful not to go over the black outlines and that there are no gaps. Now place your biscuits onto a baking tray and put them in the oven for around 30 minutes at 50 degrees Celsius to dry the flood icing out. Once cooled, it's time to add the detail. Use orange line icing to add curves onto the pumpkin from top to bottom. This is a great way to add a 3D effect to your pumpkin biscuit. Finally, add the pumpkin stalk. Take your green line icing and outline the stalk at the top of the biscuit before filling it in with a vertical motion. This will give the illusion of a stalk as the line icing adds texture to the biscuit. And there you have it, a beautiful Halloween themed pumpkin biscuit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to know when we release our next tutorial video or share tips and tricks from the Ministry of Biscuits.